Meaning of incitement.
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 Incitement. The term incitement refers to the act of encouraging or urging another person to engage in certain behavior, often with the intention of causing harm or creating chaos. This behavior may range from minor acts of rebellion or disobedience to more serious offenses such as violence or criminal activity. In either case, the consequences of incitement can be significant, ranging from personal harm or injury to larger social and political destabilization. As such, it is important to recognize and address incitement when it occurs in order to prevent its negative effects from spreading further.